Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. There is no substitute for disciplined living to live healthy and without drugs. Eating according to rules, controlling food, drinking, exercising and combining these will make life safe. You have to take care of your health. Exercise and lift weights daily. You can walk or run according to the rules. In this case, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is very effective. It takes only 18 minutes to complete, but its performance is equivalent to an hour. You will sit for less than 3 hours a day. Stand between work, walk or move your body a little in a chair or bed. If necessary, you can take some essential vitamins and minerals. For example, vitamin D3, selenium, magnesium, zinc and iodine. At least 3 liters of alkaline water should be drunk daily to remove waste from the body. Avoid white and refined sugars and eat organic green vegetables, red or black fruits, various nuts, seeds, seaweeds, good fats, good proteins and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, artificially flavored foods, sugary foods and beverages, processed meats, farm-raised meats, eggs and fish. Because farm animals are fed GMO, genetically modified organism, food and given antibiotics and hormones, which is terribly harmful to the human body. If there is any illness, then the cocoa ketogenic food plan should be followed for 10 days to 14 days. Consume 3 to 5 grams of Himalayan pink salt daily with various meals. This salt contains 84 types of minerals, which are not found in ordinary sea salt. In addition to these, it is very important to remove waste from the body regularly. In this case, you should do 17 hours of little fasting. Because toxic elements and chemicals are entering the body in different ways every moment. Remember, conventional medical systems cannot provide complete healing. However, the role of conventional treatment methods is undeniable only in emergency and temporary cases. HIIT and the use of oxygen in the human body. Oxygen is essential for survival and oxygen is circulated in the body through the blood. It is not the case that we can stay healthy only if oxygen enters the body, but it should be used to the maximum in the body. Many people do not know how to use oxygen in the body. How much oxygen enters the cells and whether it is used at the maximum level depends on the body's strength or energy production. It is important to remember the above about energy production in the body, because it can determine your overall well-being. What to do in terms of maximum oxygen consumption to maintain good health? Regular exercise. In this case, many people only walk for 20 or 30 or 40 minutes. But it doesn't help much. Exercise should be such that mouth breathing is required for able-bodied persons. So I recommend high-intensity interval training, HIIT. A 30-minute or 40-minute walk won't be necessary if you follow my advice. Rather, it is possible in maximum 16 to 18 minutes. Even this exercise is possible in 5 minutes. How to do HIIT? First, you have to walk very vigorously for 4 minutes. Then jogging style should run lightly, i.e. slowly for 1 minute. In the last step, run very fast for 30 seconds according to your health. One cycle should be completed in 5.5 minutes. Thus completing 3 cycles will complete HIIT successfully. This entire process will take only 16.5 minutes, which is more effective than walking for 1 hour. This special exercise is very effective especially for diabetic patients. The body's metabolic process changes from carbohydrate metabolism to fat metabolism. Our body uses carbohydrates as its main source of energy. Get out of this diet and eat fat as a source of energy. Eat natural or natural fats. These are medicinal coconut oil, ghee and butter made from naturally reared cow's milk, various seeds and nuts, free-range chicken and eggs, organic olive oil, sea fish, naturally raised beef, goat or lamb. Along with these, you should eat organic, natural or safely grown greens, vegetables, fruits and roots, sea vegetables, whole grains, black rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, buckwheat and oats. Also drink plenty of pure and alkaline water and fast. Your cellular energy production will determine whether you will be healthy or ill. 60 types of degenerative diseases including diabetes type 2, cardiovascular disease, cancer can take root in the body due to lack of energy. Or energy deficiency occurs after suffering from these diseases. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.